Hey guys, and welcome back to the VGamers YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hack a Wi-Fi network without bothering many scripts, many commands, without learning anything. Just simply set a program or a command line program called Wi-Fi. As you have noticed in the earlier days, we have to hack a Wi-Fi network by running this command for managing mode, then scanning for beacons, waiting for it, capturing, etc, etc. We have to do that stuff. So as you can guys notice here, we are upgrading ourselves in the technologies. The developers are also updating themselves. Why it's so? Why the hacking process is lagging behind? So one who from the GitHub whatever, one arises from a backend called a Wifite program, whatever is that. Okay, so before starting the video, I'm going to tell you about my PC specs. So it's my Core i7 laptop. Why I'm telling you this stuff? Because you're gonna need it to hack a Wi-Fi network. Okay, because in this video we are going to decrypt handshake, encrypting this and blah and blah and blah. Okay, we are doing a much stuff here, so we are need a better processor, better performance for it. Okay, we don't need a graphic card for gaming like me. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, open your terminal here by clicking the terminal, and yeah, just simply type sudo, because the Wi-Fi program needs sudo access to change the monitor mode and capturing the Wi-Fi network. So that's why we need to use sudo Wi-Fi, then press enter, and boom, an automated wireless auditor. Okay, what we need this stuff only. Okay, wait a second. Hey guys, I am back. So as you can see here, our program has automatically scanned the Wi-Fi networks nearby, and here as you can see here, I'm going to hack this network. Then it's technologies. Okay, it's my Wi-Fi network, so we are going to hack this Wi-Fi network today. Okay, so what we're waiting for, let's Control-C to stop our program for scanning the Wi-Fi nearby, and press the index of this Wi-Fi. For example, this is 1, so I will press 1. Okay, as you guys know that WPS take too much time to hack a Wi-Fi network, so I will Control-C here, then continue, then Control-C, then continue, then Control-C again, then continue. And here we have our handshake capture method. So I recommend you to use this method only, okay, because WPS method will take your and bother all of your mind. I mean, it will eat up your mind. Okay, it's discovered new client, sorry. And what if you want to know how this program works, okay, after this decryption or hacking of this Wi-Fi, if you want to know how this Wi-Fi, this program, watch my new video, upcoming video of this explanation that how this works. Okay, so okay, here we have done our tracking of the Wi-Fi, and here we are get the password. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, which is bit of silly and a big password. Okay, it's not reconnect, disconnect, reconnect, disconnect. It's not that type of method. I will explain you in the later on video which will come. Okay, so if you want to use this Wi-Fi, turn off your monitoring mode. Stop WLAN 0 MON. Okay, and press enter. Done. Let's see it's connecting or not. Yeah, it's connecting. Congratulations guys, we have successfully hacked a Wi-Fi network. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like my video and click the subscribe button for more upcoming videos like this. And I will as soon as I use this Wi-Fi, explain this Wi-Fi in the new video, Wi-Fi program in a new video, I will put it on my description box below. So thanks for watching.